Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of my tiny laptop restoration. In this video we will clean the laptop, take a look at its specs and try out a few games. Let's start by giving it a good clean. Now that the laptop is nice and clean, it's time to talk about what's inside of it. The CPU is a 1.1 GHz Coppermine Pentium 3. The graphics are powered by an S3 graphics twister chip embedded into the chipset. This uses 32 MB of system memory, which is 512 MB in total. The sound is provided by an AD1886 AC97 audio controller. More on this later. Before I show you some games running on the laptop, I will quickly describe my rating system. Green is for super smooth frame rates, yellow is for playable frame rates, and red is for games that do not run or the frame rate is too low to be enjoyable. Now let's take a look at some early 2000s gaming performance. To sum up this laptop, it has a great CPU, but the graphics chip is nowhere near fast enough to keep up with it. It will certainly take a look at most games from its time period, but as we get later into the 2000s, it struggles to perform. So what are the plans for this laptop now? Well, actually, I'm going to remove Windows XP and instead install Windows 98 SE. The CPU and GPU are low end for Windows XP, but should make a very capable Windows 98 gaming machine. This is where we can also talk about the sound chip again. It has Sound Blaster and Sound Blaster Pro compatibility in DOS, which means not only is the laptop a powerhouse for pre-2000s Windows games, it will also play a good selection of DOS games as well. A great feature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this mini series. Please make sure to like and subscribe to help boost the channel.